Hello friends, I am going to describe negotiable business plan in this video. About company registered in Feb 2019, but in direct selling, company is running with effect from Feb 25 2020. The mission and vision of the company to develop the nation by providing healthy and natural products and to finish the unemployment problem of the youth in India. If you join Negotia business, you will earn more than 10 types of income. Number 1, retail profit. You can earn up to 40% retail profit. What is the retail profit? The difference between MRP and distributor price, that is called retail profit. You can earn up to 40%. Next income is sell purchase bonus. When you purchase 500 business volume product on your ID, you will eligible to get sell purchase bonus 5% of company turnover. If you purchase 1000 BV product, you will get 2 sell purchase bonus, and if 1 point value is 40 rupees, you will get 80 rupees for 2 points. Next income is working bonus. Total 30% of company turnover BB is distributor in this income. If you match 2000 business volume in your both side, team A and team B, you will qualify to get 1 working bonus point. The approx value of 1 working bonus point is 300 to 450. In this income, there is a capping of 1.5 lakhs per month. Beside this income, there is no any capping on other income. Only capping on only one income, that is working bonus. Next income is active team bonus. You will get 15% in 5 levels. From 1 level 5%, second 4%, third percent, level 4 2%, and level 5 1%. Your direct sponsor team, that is called level 1. Your level 1 distributor will be earning the working bonus. Whatever the working bonus they are earning in this system, you will get 5% from level 1 of their working bonus income. Next income is team development bonus, 10% of company turnover BB. 5000 BB matching, 5000 left, 5000 right. If you match BB in both side, you will get 1 team development bonus point. The point value of team development bonus is approx 400 to 500. If you match 10,000 BB in both side, you will get 2 point as team development bonus. You will get 800 to 1000 of this income. Next income is leadership bonus. This is the next level of the company. Total 10% of company turnover BB distribution in this income. When you match 25,000 business in team A and team B, you will get 1 leadership bonus point. The 1 point value approx is 4,000 to 5,000 in this income, that is leadership bonus. Car fund, 8% of company turnover BB. If you match 50,000 in both side, you will get 1 car fund point, and 1 point value is approx 3,500 to 4,000 in this income. If you match 1 lakh BB in both side, you will get 2 car fund point, and you will get income accordingly. Next income is house fund. 5% is distribution of the company turnover. If in your team 1 house fund one car fund left, one car fund right, achievers come, you will get one house fund point. One house fund point value approx is 4,000. If you create two car fund achievers in both sides, you will get two house fund point and you will get income accordingly point wise. Next income is nominee fund. The income distributed 4% of complete turnover. If you match, if you in your team there is one house fund left and one house fund right achievers, you will get one nominee fund point. The approx value of 1 point is 6,500 in this income. And if in your team two house fund achievers come in both sides, you will get 2 point income as nominee fund. Next income is negotiable fund. The distribution of BB is 4% of complete turnover. If two nominee fund achievers come in your team left and right, you will get 1 point as negotiable fund. The approx value of 1 point is 25,000. If you success to develop 4 nominee fund achievers left, 4 nominee fund achievers right, you will get 2 point and you will get income as negotiable fund of 2 points, that is 50,000. Terms and condition of the business. There is no typical conditions. This is the condition free plan. Registration is totally free. When you register your ID, you can purchase any product. No BB condition apply and can activate your ID. On one mobile number, one mail ID and one PAN card, you can register only one registration. Name addiction is totally prohibited. There is no process to change the name in the system. KYC is compulsory. Payout is monthly. On every first of the month, closing is done, and whatever payout you will receive in the system credited in your account up to 7th of every month. Deduction only 5% at TDS. Quarterly TDS will deposited in your account in your PAN card. This is the बिल्कुल easy system. The BB distribution of the company turnover is 91 in this system. There is no other company. The high BB distributed just like Negotia in Indian company, or you can say in foreign company also. There is no typical condition about the repurchasing, monthly repurchasing. You can repurchase any product, any cost as per your choice. No BB condition apply for payout. So this is the Negotia business plan. I think you have understood, and if you have any query, you can contact me. You can subscribe my channel, and in the description you can check the business plan and you will find my contact number. You can call me anytime for more information. Thank you very much for watching this video.